Uh, how to change flights here on Airpaz. When I do this video, I'll be teaching how to change your flight here on Airpaz. To change your flight here on Airpaz, all we need to do is open up our Airpaz right here. So once we open up our Airpaz right here, next thing is just go down till you see change flights right there. Press on change flight. After pressing on change flight, you will see find your order right here. So right here, to change our flight, we must first need to find our flight right here. Enter flight and then choose the flight. And after doing that, you can now change flight. Yeah, you can now change your flight. You can cancel it. That after canceling, you can change your flight once you have found your flight right here. So there you go, guys. That's how it goes. So you do it. All you need to do is click on that, and if you have already booked, it will just show right here, right there. And once it's right there, you may be able to change your flight, but make it 74 hours ahead before the flight, so you can able to smoothly change your flight. Because once it's like 24 hours or like a few hours left, it's gonna get a little bit complicated when changing your flight. Here on our Airpass, so I suggest changing it 3 days before your flight or a week before the flight to make it much more smoother. There you guys, that's how I do it. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any question, concerns, type it down in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on how to rock it, guys. There you guys, see you on the next one, and thank you, guys.